Good morning everyone! Ito may na-discover kami dito sa may Boracay sa Station 1. Ito trending kasi ito guys kaya pinuntahan namin. Ginagamit itong location na ito, itong cave actually. Kaya maganda siya from the entrance niya, passing through the beach. Yon, and then usually ginagamit ito for wedding proposal, date, Valentine's. And ako naman guys, tingnan nyo yung other side, yung beach side. Napakaganda, napakaliwalas. Fresh air, hindi maalon, white sand. And ayan, maraming tourist. So dito tayo mag-stay today. And kung masa-search nyo sa social media location na to, Fairways and Blue Water sa Station 1. It's a private beach resort. Ayan, grabe, ang ganda na setup, diba? And of course, di tayo papahuli, nagpa-picture kami dyan ni Jowa sa entrada.